All rise. Judge Bundaby Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1040, Golden case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Mr. Belk, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Well, long story short, I was put on child support by my baby's mother. And for the past year, I've basically been having full custody. Not legal, of course. She comes and goes as she pleases, pops up unannounced, and I'm here today to place her on child support.
Okay. How old is your child?
My child is 4 years old.
Boy or girl?
She's a little girl.
Okay. And you said mom just pops up every now and then. For the past year, your daughter has been living with you?
Completely careless, just shows whenever she pleases.
Stay tuned because today's courtroom showdown is getting intense. Mr. Bilk is fighting to adjust his child support agreement after spending the past year as the primary caregiver for his 4-year-old daughter. Meanwhile, the mother has been mostly absent, only making occasional appearances. Now, he's asking the court to hold her financially accountable. As the judge kicks off the proceedings, Mr. Bilk presents his case, igniting a crucial discussion on custody, fairness, and parental responsibility. This case sheds light on how shifting parenting roles can redefine financial obligations, and the ruling could set a powerful precedent.
What is she doing? Do you know?
I have no idea. I've heard here and there that she's really living that party life, so I mean, that's none of my business, so I'm not too worried about that. I'm just here for my daughter and to take care of her.
Okay, understood. Do you know where mom worked last? Do you know how much money she makes?
I do not, Your Honor, I do not have that information with me.
Okay, when was the last time you actually seen her?
As of today, it's been about 4 months.
Oh, okay. Okay, and that was the last time your daughter has seen her too? Mm-hmm. Okay, all right. So this what we'll do immediately. It's obvious that she gave the child to you and you are her primary caretaker now, so it wouldn't be fair to continue your child support obligation. So what we're gonna do is stop yours and then start a child support obligation on her. I see that she was served to be here today. She's not here.
Bilk takes the stand, offering a heartfelt glimpse into his journey as the sole caregiver for his 4-year-old daughter. He describes the mother's sporadic visits, contrasting them with her seemingly carefree lifestyle, while he carries the full weight of parenting. His mission is clear, ensuring his child receives the financial support she deserves. Though he admits he doesn't know the mother's employment status or income, his focus remains on securing a stable future for his daughter. This case exposes the harsh realities of single parenting and the struggle of carrying both parental roles when one party steps back. It's a compelling look at the challenges of co-parenting when the responsibility isn't shared equally.
And obviously you don't know where she is. You haven't seen her in the past 4 months. How many other children does she have?
She has 3 children.
Including your daughter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I don't have any financial information in front of me for her, but what I can do is put her on child support based on what it would be around minimum wage for 3 kids. Do you have health insurance on your daughter?
Yes, ma'am.
How much is it?
It's around $650, $675.
Is that for you and the child?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how many people are on that insurance?
It's just me and her.
Okay. So what I'll do is I'll divide that by 2 because by law, she's only required to carry health insurance for the child only. Okay, so I'll make her child support set at minimum wage, which is around $213, plus the half of the $675. So her child support obligation will come out to $550.50 every month. All right, and that's what we'll do. Do you have any other questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, well, if there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The judge issues a decisive ruling. Since Mr. Bilk has been the primary caregiver, his child support obligations are officially eliminated, shifting financial responsibility to the mother. With her limited involvement and no documented income, the court bases her payments on minimum wage, setting her monthly contribution at $550.50 after factoring in health insurance. This verdict highlights the legal system's commitment to protecting a child's well-being, regardless of a parent's level of engagement. It's a powerful reminder that walking away from parenting doesn't mean walking away from financial duty. Supporting a child is a lifelong responsibility, no matter what.
Hi guys, it's me, Judge Vonda B. I just wanted to go over what you all witnessed in the Belt case. Dad was ordered to pay child support previously. Child was living with mom. Well, what did you hear interesting about that case? The child has now been living with dad for the past year, so it wouldn't be fair to keep dad on child support. Therefore, his case needs to be modified. Well, what mom did is known as voluntary relinquishment. What is that exactly? Voluntary relinquishment is when one parent gives up their possession of the child to the other parent. When that occurs, the parent who gave up the child should then start paying child support. So that's why in this case, mom was ordered to pay child support to dad. Something else you may have noticed, mom was not present for court. Remember guys, like we've discussed in our previous episodes, make sure that when you're served with papers to be in court, you always appear.
Judge Vonda concludes the case with a firm and insightful ruling, making it clear that relinquishing custody does not eliminate financial responsibility. She underscores that child support must reflect changes in caregiving roles, and that the court's primary focus remains the child's well-being. Additionally, she stresses a critical point: ignoring legal proceedings won't make them disappear, and accountability is not optional. This case serves as a powerful reminder that parenting is more than just being present. It's a lifelong commitment, both emotionally and financially. The verdict sends a strong and unwavering message. Stepping back from raising a child does not absolve a parent of their duty to provide. It's a just and balanced resolution to a case filled with both legal and emotional weight.